brothers, good men. Crazy coming out the woodwork. Two out of my past, and just did work for. It has come up, and Lord have mercy. One's really aggressive. One I just seen in the store. Hey, how are you doing? Blah 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 blah. And like I said, one come up here twice, and I backed her right down out the ramp, and she sob story, this, that, and the other. I thought, well, I'm sorry, I can't help you. Woke up this morning and she left a fucking letter on my fucking windshield. Good God Almighty. Anybody from your past that sees you as ATM, which all of them does, but really sees you as an ATM, gonna start flocking to you. Times is hard, times is bad, and I haven't seen either one of these two in years. And the one that come up here to the fucking house, and I walked away, and then come back and gave a letter, or left a letter, or a note, I should say, on my windshield. I haven't seen in over a decade. Oh, good Lord. Pay attention, good men, brothers, cause they gonna come hollering if you're any bit better than they are and have more resources than they do. Uh, get ready. Get ready. Absolute hard times is coming. And get what you can every time you can, anytime you can. Keep yourself defended. Keep your head on a swivel. And eyes in the back of your head, brothers. I ain't shitting you. They coming. The Jezebels, the leeches, the succubus, or succubi, rather, plural. They all coming for you. Just because they know. Beware of the chameleons and false skin, false face people. And we all know what that means.